Imagine a world where electric vehicles are cheaper than gas cars, powered by silicon, a safer, highly abundant material capable of driving battery pack level costs below $100 per kilowatt hour. But a silent killer is destroying these batteries even when they are turned off, a phenomenon known as calendar aging. We think of batteries as static fuel tanks, but they are actually dynamic chemical engines, and to understand why they fail, we have to shrink down and travel inside the atomic architecture of the anode, focusing on silicon anodes. Silicon is a miracle material for energy storage because it possesses a staggering theoretical specific capacity of 3,579 milliamp hours per gram. This incredible energy density comes with a violent physical cost. As lithium ions rush into the silicon matrix during charging, the silicon particle swells and expands by up to 300%. This catastrophic volume change shatters both the silicon particles and the organic-rich SEI formed by conventional carbonate electrolyte. When the SEI cracks, fresh silicon is exposed to the electrolyte, triggering a vicious cycle of chemical reformation that consumes active lithium and permanently kills battery capacity. For years, the global battery industry thought they had the solution: shrink the silicon down to the nanoscale to suppress the mechanical cracking. Nano-Silicon successfully stops the cracking and significantly improves cycle life, but it introduces a catastrophic new vulnerability that has kept it from conquering the commercial market. By moving to the nanoscale, the total surface area of the silicon explodes, becoming 19 times larger than that of microsilicon. This is the plot twist of calendar aging. While cycle life is destroyed by the mechanical cracking of the SEI, the calendar life of a battery sitting idle on a shelf is destroyed by the chemical dissolution of the SEI. Because the nano-silicon has such a massive surface area, its organic-rich SEI continuously dissolves into the solvent. The battery bleeds its own lifeblood just trying to maintain this massive protective layer, resulting in cells that lose up to 20% of their capacity every single month during storage. But a brilliant new electrochemical framework published in Nature Energy has unlocked the path forward by returning to cheap, scalable microsilicon. By engineering an electrolyte that builds an inorganic, LiF-rich SEI on microsilicon, the twin demons of cracking and dissolution are defeated simultaneously. At the atomic scale, LiF creates weak bonds at the LiF-silicon interface. Because this LiF layer is incredibly flexible and mechanically decoupled, it almost entirely suppresses the cracking that usually plagues microsilicon. But the true magic of the LiF-rich SEI is its thermodynamic armor. Unlike organic SEI components that easily dissolve, LiF has exceptionally low solubility. Furthermore, quantum mechanical calculations reveal that LiF possesses an incredibly wide band gap and high LUMO energy level. Because it blocks electrons so flawlessly, the SEI stops growing unnecessarily. The quantitative results of this microscopic ballet are staggering. During accelerated potentiostatic aging tests, the resistance in an LiF-rich SEI increases by a mere 6.95% compared to a devastating 53.85% spike for an organic-rich SEI. This atomic-level stability translates seamlessly into world-class performance at the full cell level. When this microsilicon anode is paired with an industry-standard NMC811 cathode using a customized LiPF6 ionic liquid electrolyte, the battery retains an astonishing 98.99% of its capacity after a full month of storage. This breakthrough fundamentally rewrites the economics of gigawatt-scale manufacturing. by eliminating the need for complex, expensive nano-silicon architectures and relying instead on cheap, widely available microsilicon. This technology dramatically lowers CapEx and OpEx for cell manufacturers, unlocking a massive total addressable market for next-generation energy storage. Investors, entrepreneurs, and policymakers are now looking at a supply chain where the high energy density of silicon can finally be married to the decade-long durability required for grid storage and mass-market EVs. If this chemistry scales globally, it points to a future of cleaner skies, drastically reduced critical mineral mining, and an accelerated transition to a circular, electrified economy. We have finally learned how to tame the destructive forces inside the silicon atom, turning the sand beneath our feet into the ultimate battery. But if simply tuning the inorganic chemistry of an invisible layer can double the lifespan of a battery, what other thermodynamic secrets are hiding just a few nanometers deep, waiting for us to find them?